All right. What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. As per usual, Justin is out taking care of his daughter, so he'll be here a little later. Man, what a crazy day yesterday. Beautiful day of trading. Nice little range. We got done pretty early in the Discord. I had a couple appointments that I had to take my children to. Ended the day really, really green on all accounts. It was just, I think the day before it was kind of like a backslide. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you know how, like, I don't know if you guys ever been addicted to anything, right? But I used to be addicted to, I would say, alcohol, right? And I was addicted to vapes, right? And like when I quit, I went cold turkey, right? But the first time I quit, as soon as I smelled a vape where I saw some alcohol, the first thing I wanted to do was take a drink a vape, smoke a vape or whatever. And then, like, after you get done not doing that for a long time and then you go do it one time, you wake up in the morning, you just feel like shit. Like, your body feels like shit. Mentally, you feel like, what the was I doing? Like, that's not what I've been training for. And then you just say, nope, I'm recommitting today. That's what the day before yesterday was for me. It was like, I've gone and I've worked so hard on this journey, right? And I've made so much progress. And feeling that tilt was just a reminder that it never goes away, right? You're always going to be an addict, right? You're always going to have that addiction capability. The question is, what are you going to do with that addiction, right? When the temptation comes. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It just popped up in my head. So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for helping us reach 1,700 subs. We're on our way to 2,000 subs. It's been an incredible journey. But you already know, before we get started, we got to do a little housekeeping, man. Don't get mad at me. I'm going to do it every single day in the beginning, and I'm going to do it at the end. But this is a business first and foremost, but we're also here to help. So first and foremost, please make sure you tip the motherfucking barbers, AKA hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put a video out. There's a couple ways you can help out the channel beyond that. Well, I just mentioned you can hit the like and subscribe button. That costs you nothing. Also, go watch all of the videos. Inside of those videos, educational videos on prop firms that Justin puts out, what you'll find is in the description below the video is a affiliate code for any prop firm that you use. In addition to that, if you want to use my affiliate code down here, you can use that as well. It doesn't matter. Me and Justin, at the end of the month, we tally everything up and we split everything equally down the middle. All we're trying to do is get paid a little bit extra to help us along the way as we start to continue to build the journey, as we go through the journey and build the business. All right. Last but not least, you can join the Discord. The Discord link is in the description down below. It's $40 a month, $15 per week. We provide educational services in regards to charting, in regards to order flow, in regards to market structure, macro time, like whatever you're looking for and how you trade. We base everything off market structure and we kind of build from there. If you're willing to check us out, like I said, the description to the Discord is down in the description below. All right. Or the link to the Discord is down in the description below. All right. So now that I got all of that stuff out of the way, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you say hi in the comments. Don't leave me up here on an island by myself talking to 20 freaking people and nobody even says hello. It's rude. Come into the shop, man. This is the Trader Shop. We theme this thing after the barbershop. You never come in the barbershop and not speak to the barbers, man. That's how you get a whack edge up. You know what I mean? Like, you don't want to whack edge up. So speak to the people. Good morning, Chicago, Sean. I see you, big dog. All right, so let's jump right into the pre-market plan. Okay, so we're going to start with ES because that's what I trade. I also make a plan for NQ because I know a lot of people trade NQ, including me just a week ago, right? It was all good just a week ago, right? So first, we'll start with the macro plan, right? We've already broken this down with the Discord, but we'll break it down with you guys because that's what we do. Current conditions, we're in a bearish retracement of bullish trend. This is identified as a retracement for the simple fact that we haven't broken any significant lows on the macro time frame. It doesn't mean that it won't later turn into an actual sell-off, right? Or an actual downtrend, but it's a bearish retracement inside of a bullish trend for now. Okay, so we're bearish below 54.4475. We're bullish above 53.80. Macro, bulls have begun taking profit. The market is still bullish, but we have a change of character on the lower time frames. Hence the reason why I'm telling you this on the 15-minute. Okay, indicating a momentum shift. Bulls will need to trade above the previous day high or all-time high, right? To continue a healthy uptrend. I misspaced. Yeah, to continue a healthy uptrend. Look for bears to take out the higher time frame lows to hold down the bearish momentum. All right. So knowing all of that, that's our macro, right? Knowing all of that, here's the plan that we have, right? So down here on the 4 hour, I'm looking to be bullish, looking for buyers to defend the 4 hour demand at 53.92 through 53.80. We can look to long the market targeting previous day low right here at 54.08. I don't know why I had 54.02, but it's early, man. I make my plans at like 6 a.m. So, and then we're looking to target that 30-minute supply at 54.29 through 54.38. Now, where we are right now, I'm not interested in beginning a position. I was in a trade earlier this morning at 54.11, stops were at 54.08. I took profit at the break of the high with I was in 3 contracts. I took 1 off. We looked pretty weak, so I took the last 2 off, and I am anticipating a further push. I just didn't want to sit through it while I was trying to make the plan and get the kid dressed and all that stuff. So it was a scalp turned. It was a scalp that had potential to go all the way to the top. I just didn't want to hold it, so I cut it. All right, so 30-minute supply is where I would like to short this market, right? This is where I'm looking to see the sellers defend, all right? So I want to look to short weak rallies into, of course, I put 430-minute supply, but whatever. 30-minute supply at 54.29 through 54.38. I want to look to target this 4 hour demand zone at 53.92 through 53.80. Now, in addition to this 4 hour supply zone, I want to take note of the things that are up here confluence wise. And if you trade ICT, you may understand exactly the levels that I'm referring to up here. Okay, so first, settlement price. That's not an ICT concept, but it is a good thing to know. Settlement is where they settle margin at the end of the day, right? It's not the closing price, it's the settlement price, okay? 54.3875 sits right inside of that, right above that supply zone, right? Then we got true day or midnight price at 54.4150 that sits up here. Obviously, when we're talking liquidity, where's the liquidity? It's above us. So this is a really good target, but that does not mean the market has to go get it this morning. The market could very much dump right into this demand zone, and then that would create a good opportunity to long the market, targeting all of this, right? And that's why I say it's good to have a plan for the bullish and bearish scenario, because if we're just gonna sit here and then dump down, I'm not gonna trade this short. Instead, I'm going to look to trade it long because I know that the market's going to look to target all of this liquidity if it doesn't take it out this morning, or at least that would be in my thesis, right? Whether or not I hold all of the whole time, that's up to me. All right. So let's move over to NQ and I'll take you through my thesis on NQ. So if we come over here to NQ and we look at our macro plan, the current conditions are bearish, retracement of a bullish trend. It's not brain surgery. All right. We're bullish above 433. We're bearish below 664. Macros. Bulls took some profit last night, just like on ES. And on the smaller time frames, we have changed character. However, the higher time frame still places us in bullish structure. Look to short at higher time frame supply and long at higher time frame demand. Now, this is a great opportunity to point out that although we look extremely bearish, the market has still only just put in a double bottom, a higher low, another higher low, right? But we are looking weaker and weaker as we come back up. So this is a good day, in my opinion, to just be patient and wait for my higher time frame zones to hit, because I feel like those are going to be key for me to get the most bang for my buck. I don't want to trade in the middle of price right here. If I started a position down here, then okay, maybe I sit through this. But knowing who I am, once we break that high and we don't keep going, I'm getting the fuck out. Like, that's just how I trade, right? All right, so plan. Right here on the 1 hour, we're looking for buyers to defend this 1 hour demand zone at 19.515 through 19.433. We can look to long the market targeting 30-minute supply, right, at 608 through 658. Same thing to the bearish side, we just do the opposite. We're looking to short weak rallies into this 30-minute supply zone at 608 through 659 and look to target 1 hour demand previous day low at 515 through 433. Now, the other scenario, right? The market dumps bright and early this morning. Cool, I don't care. It can do whatever it wants. If it drops all the way down, then I'm going to look to pick it up down here at either 274 or 50% of this CPI candle. Because remember, CPI candle on ES, we've already tapped 50% of it. But what we haven't done is we haven't tapped 50% of the CPI candle on the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ still has a lot of room that it can come down to. Whether or not it does that, I don't know. But this level at 19,361, if we start to change character and we break down, again, this will be an area where I would look to pick the market back up to long it back into the previous day low. Pretty much identical to the plan that I have on ES. It's just that ES and NQ are in different areas structurally. So I have to create the plan a little bit lower to match what I have on ES. So those are my thoughts on the two plans on the day. Please let me know if you have any questions. Drop them in the chat. You know I got y'all. All right, so things that support my thesis, right? This is why I look at and I watch multiple things, because I like to have things that support my thesis that are moving in the same direction of the instrument that I'm trading. You guys don't know by now, I trade the ES futures. I trade the NQ futures. Both of these instruments follow each other, right? Like they pretty much move identical to each other. Therefore, I like to gauge price action or the momentum of price based off the volatility index. Why? Because the volatility index runs parallel, right? Parallel to the ES futures. Well, not the ES futures, to the S&P 500 options chain, which follows the ES futures, which follows the SPX, which means I'm following the VIX, right? So if you guys wonder why I look at the VIX, that's why. Therefore, looking at the volatility index, however, if we zoom out to the 4-hour, we can see that the volatility index is trying to go bullish. It is doing its best to go bullish. This is a very bullish candle on the 4-hour, right? But now we're inside of this supply zone that has been acting like a pain in the butt since May 3rd, okay? If the VIX can get above 15, 14.9, right? Then you can strap on your seatbelt and book it. I'm telling you right now, if we get to the 15s, this market is going to absolutely be flushing. Because my thesis is if we get above 15, we're going to be looking for 15.31, 15.32, and then 16.21, right? If the VIX gets back up there, that's going to be the noise that I make, right? Because the market's going to be flushing, and I'm going to love it because I love when the VIX gets going. Because if you guys don't understand the VIX, I'll give you a quick lesson. Whatever the VIX is at, right, it's the rule of 16, right? So they divide the VIX by 16, right? Or 16 divided by whatever. It's one of them numbers. One goes on top, one goes on the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Whatever that percentage is usually about the percentage gain or loss on the day for the instrument that is following, right? Which means the higher the VIX goes, the more the market will move up or down, right? So if we can get the VIX to start settling, you know, I don't care if it rallies up and it dumps one day, but if we can get the VIX to start settling in that, 20, 30, 40 range, you want that volatility, because that volatility will then transfer over to the charts and you will have much more opportunity to long or short the market much further than what you were doing in the past. All right. So those are my thoughts on the volatility index. Let's look at the rest of the stock market, because I honestly haven't taken a look at it. But you can see that Nvidia is trading above the previous day high, just barely in the post market. Apple, profit taking very much so on Apple, coming down from that 216 after hitting a high of 220. RIP to those that didn't sell their freaking options on the day it hit 220, but whatever. And then we got Microsoft trading below the previous day low, but just hitting an all-time high yesterday. So nothing's really an indication that I can be like, oh, okay, this is definitely giving me good vibes or this is giving me bad vibes. So to me, the only thing left to do is follow the volatility index and structure, obviously, right? The volatility index gives structure. Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't sharing my screen in regards to the stocks. But yeah, so this is the stocks. Again, we're not seeing anything in regards to the Mag 7 that's an indication we're going up or down. Therefore, I'm just watching the VIX continue to push up, which is telling me somebody's loading into a very strong bearish position. Doesn't mean that the market still can't go up, but it does mean that even as it's going up, people are loading into sell positions, which is good, because when we get to the destination, it will make the selling pressure much more aggressive. All right. So those are my thoughts on the market. Looks like it was right on time because the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. J Seals is in the building. Dang, bro, you get some new lights. You got bright. Yeah, you got light bright going on over there.
It's the same lights. Same lights. I can turn it down a little bit.
No, you can. I was just saying, you look bright.
I know I'd be shining. You know what I'm saying? I'd be coming in here. I'd be shining. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Damn it.
Well,
no, I would. Okay.
You know, I'd be coming in here shining. Right. You know what I'm saying? I'd be looking bright. You know what I'm saying? People be like,
There's that noise again, guys. There's that noise again. That's it, J-Hawk. That's it. Record that. Rewind that back. Clip it. Play it 37 times, bro. That's the noise, J-Hawk.
Don't worry about it, bud.
That's the noise he made when he got hit when he got in that car accident. I'm saying record it, play it back in case he ever try to say he don't make that.
It's recorded. It's on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's there for everybody. Hey, J-Hawk, I got a bone to pick with you.
Hold on.
I got a bone to pick with you, J-Hawk.
Uh-oh. Hey, look, before we go any further, I want to say this, man. Shout out to my man, Rodney, Crypto Journey, for absolutely killing it in the crypto market, creating a daddy-based token. If you guys don't know what Base is, it's Coinbase wallets or Coinbase chain, right? My man has been in crypto since the beginning of time, right? Since I came into crypto, he convinced me to get my own crypto channel and supported the hell out of me. So I don't want to go one more second without giving that man his absolute props. He created his own token. He didn't lie to the people. He didn't tell them, he wasn't selling them a dream. He simply said, I'm going to make you motherfuckers rich. And that thing started at $1,000 market cap and is now all the way up. I think it hit almost a $10 million market cap last night. $9.4 million market cap last night. So brother, if you're watching this, congratulations, keep grinding. Let's get back to the regular schedule program. What up, Jay?
What up? I got a bone to pick with you, J-Hawk.
Uh-oh.
They got daddy token, right? Shout out to Rodney. Why y'all let Iggy Azalea in the building with mommy token? What is this about? What is this about?
Yep.
Oh, he moved. Did he move? He moved back to San Diego? Oh. I have not noticed. Oh, he got Andrew Tate on board too?
Oh, Lord. Yeah, that's dope, man. That's dope. He's trendsetter for sure. He's a trendsetter for sure. Always has been. So I just wanted to make sure I give him his props, man. I don't know if he's watching the show, but I'm sure he'll check it out at some point. But already, he said, "Yeah, don't sweat it. I got it." But yeah, man. All right, so let's jump right into these comments. Chicago Sean says, "Top of the top. Good morning." Yin Yang in the building says, "Good morning." Good morning, Yin Yang. David Moore says, "Good morning, Hobbs. Good morning, the crucial one." John, what's going on, Kyle? What's up, Mike? Absolute professional right here. Hey, thanks, Kyle. Yo, Justin, my man. What's up? I'm going to backtest that VIX 16 and had no idea. Yeah, Google it, bro. I don't tell y'all nothing on here that I haven't researched myself, ever. It can definitely help with options targets, 100%. I made a whole video for the Discord. Again, join the Discord, man. I'm telling you, we throw sauce. The Discord knew the rule of 16 3 months ago. I just happened to mention it to you guys today. So, like I said, join the Discord. We're always spreading as much information, good, solid information as possible, because there's never one way to trade the markets, right? There's multiple ways to trade the markets. So I don't want a Discord or a community that all just trades the same way. I want to be able to discuss trading in so many different fashions, right? So many different lights. I think that's what trading is about, is like growing every day. And I don't want to stunt my growth just by doing one thing. I want to be based in structure. I want to be based in supply and demand. I want to be based in order flow, right? But I want to be able to layer on top of that, right? Like I never knew about macro time until I started the Discord, right? Like I would have never even known about it, right? So Shining my G, yeah, he light break today for real. He got a little haircut too. He looked normal again. Welcome back, bro.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
That other guy. Glad you killed that other guy. What's going on, Robert? Yeah, daddy token flying, bro. Y'all need to get in. I think it's still low market cap for me. I mean, for the meme coin space, $8 million market cap is still like just being discovered. You know what I'm saying? I strongly suggest that you use some type of analysis before you just buy the top, right? Because it's still a meme token. Somebody's up real big right now, right? So you got to understand, in the meme world, you know, does the chart follow analysis? Yeah. But can the chart just be like somebody that's got a lot of the supply be like, all right, now you about to have one hell of a retracement and we about to change character with one sell, right? Like that's the difference, because there's not a lot of liquidity. The market caps are low, right? So the analysis works because analysis is based on behavior of people, right? So the thing about meme tokens is fundamentals matter way more than technical analysis. The fundamentals being, how strong is the community, right? How comfortable are you with the dev? And the reason why I have never mentioned a token on here ever, because it's the trader shop, right? It's not the crypto shop. The reason why I'm mentioning Daddy Token is because I know the dude I know the dev personally, right? I got his phone number. I can call him right now. I know him personally. And I can tell you right now, if somebody dumps on you, it's not going to be him. Right? It's going to be the people that are actually in the token, which you can't control that for any token, right? So if you're looking for a safe token in regards to the dev, that's where you want to be, in my opinion, right? Like that would be my speech to the people that are looking to invest in Daddy Token, right? Like the dev is based, right? He is based as you can be, because you can go look at his YouTube channel for the last 3 years and you know he ain't never changed character. You know what I'm saying? He been that dude through and through. So, but shout out to Futney. Yeah, no doubt. What's going on, iBomb? Small risk on Daddy. Why not? Hey, man, go get you a bag. That's all I'm saying. Like, I don't care what you do, right? In regards to like advertisement, I'm letting you guys know because that's my dog. Like, that's my boy. And I would trust him to not pull the rug. If he pulled the rug, the amount of people that he would have to answer to, it's not even, Rodney would be finished if he pulled the rug. Right? It would be done. And I know he wouldn't do that anyway, because that's just not in his character, right? That's just not who he is, right? So, but shout out to him, man. Definitely. What you got, Jay? What you looking at?
I'm looking at this area here. We talked about this yesterday in the Discord, this 52 or 54.26 area as being a potential area for rejection once we're below it. So that's the area I'm watching today on ES. I don't think we're coming I shouldn't say I don't think. I'm hoping we don't come all the way back up to the highs with how bearish we were overnight. I'm hoping that this is just a pullback to retest. And also this 54.26 is like kind of 50% of this current range that we're in as well. So I think we come back up, retest that, and then my target's going to be 5395, which is the consolidation from CPI. So
yeah, I got something similar. I got something similar. I got us on the 30-minute. We created a supply after breaking that low. So I got 54.28.75 through 54.42. I kind of stretched it all the way up to the high a day. It actually ends at 54.37. We also got settlement price at 38. We got midnight price at 41, and the daily fib at 30. So I think we're both looking at the same area. So
yeah. I really like shorts up here if we can fail. I also have a little trend line too I drew this morning. Where we bounced off that bottom trend line, like just the bottom of the trend. We broke it and reclaimed it. So I'm hoping that everything kind of aligns to where once we get down to this trend, it'll be my profit target. But I don't know if that's going to happen. But I'm definitely going to be watching this trend line as well. If I do short the market to potentially get all out at the trend line if we're going to bounce there. So I'm watching a few different things this morning.
Also, I'd note that from 54.42 to 54.52 on the tape, there's a lot of significant resting liquidity up there that's been there since yesterday. So just FYI.
Yep. Yeah, that high day liquidity. I'm assuming that they don't want to go back up there. They've been continually selling at the high of day or the all-time highs. So I think the market finally kind of wants a little bit of a breather. We didn't really get that same expansion we've gotten out of FOMC. Like, you know how FOMC, like, we rocket ship, and then like if we're really gonna go, we're gonna go. I think CPI, sorry, CPI. I think FOMC fucked it up. Like I think Powell ended up fucking up the CPI day. Like I think if Powell was speaking that day, I think we would have continued to rally. But I think because
all
Powell
of the news, all of the news YouTube channels that I watch were basically saying, he said something about like the market needs to go back down to 4,800 or 50. I think it was 4,800. We need to end the year like 4,800. I was like, when does Powell ever speak on technical analysis? Like ever. So yeah, I think it could be interesting. I'm definitely more short biased today than I am bullish, but I think we get a rally at open first. So that's what I'm waiting on.
What's crazy? On my way home, I got a Twitter notification from Stoic. He said he thinks the market is going to 8,000 by the end of the year. I was like, damn, 8,000? That's like 3,000 more points. I was like, oh.
Wait, 8,000 on ES?
Yeah, well, he said the S&P. I mean, he had to have been talking about ES. It's the only thing he could have been talking about. I mean, year to date, we're up 11%. So, I mean, I get what's another 10%.
We're not pumping 3,000 more points. He can.
What's another 10% from here? Just out of curiosity.
10% is not 8,000 from here.
I know it's not 8,000.
Oh, no way.
Well, actually, no, it's not. It's not even close.
We've been in the market's been it's been 6 months. We haven't pumped 3,000 points.
Yeah, another 10% puts us right at about 6,000, and that's barring any gap ups in contract.
Maybe he meant 6,000.
Nah, it was not a typo. He said if you study Wyckoff, you would know why. And I was like, well, I mean, I understand Wyckoff. I don't study it, but I know that if the market's about to move, like,
Wyckoff doesn't tell you how much the market's going to move. It tells you the phases of the market. So I don't even know what that means.
I'm not over here Twitter beefing, all right? I'm just letting you know what the man said.
You know what? Okay, no. He could be on to something because of the fact that the contract rolled over and we're at 5,800.
Yeah, but there's only like 2 more contract rollovers by the time that
and you gotta I don't know. I don't care. Like whatever. If he's right, great. I'll play it at 8,000. If he's wrong, then fuck it. I don't care either.
8,000 seems a little high. I would do. I think like
sounds a little egregious.
we can maybe get to like 6K, maybe a little, maybe 6.5. Like
I can see 600 on the SPY. Not no damn $800 SPY.
Not this year. Maybe
not this year. Yeah, he said not this year. You know what's gonna be funny is when the SPY gets so high that we gotta split the SPY, the S&P.
Can that happen? That's like
I don't know.
Like,
I don't know. But I feel like
the Dow, nobody can afford that shit.
Yeah, but I mean, how much do you have to pay for? I guess it is 34,000 a share. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how much is the ticker for the Dow? That's the question. That's what they're paying. The ES is just point. I mean, the futures is just points. The ticker will tell you how much they're actually paying. I don't know how much they're paying for the Dow. All right, market's open. Pretty aggressive by the bulls, which is what I'm anticipating. I want to see a nice push up. I want to see us go further. I want to see us come all the way back up. That's what I want.
The Dow Jones Index is at like $38,000.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
DJI.
And I guess I guess they don't split it. I guess they don't split it. They be like, you better go buy the Russell. You better go buy the Russell. Oh man. NQ starting off with his aggressive selling here.
Stop.
Getting picked right back up.
Okay, no. Today it looks like ES and NQ are both kind of opening up similarly, so that's at least good.
Yeah, at least
first time in a minute where yeah.
Yo, this because everybody's trying to take profit. Everybody's like, yeah, we know what's coming. We know what today is. Yeah, I think we're definitely coming down.
Take that. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna try to pump up, which I'm perfectly fine with.
Yeah, I got us going to 29 to 38, maybe all the way up to 41 before we come back up. And I'm completely cool with all of that because all of that is still bearish to me. We're not just gonna ignore that fucking 30-point sell-off that happened this morning. we're not gonna act like that shit just didn't happen. Nah. Y'all bring y'all ass back up here, and I'll take the second leg.
Consolidation up here at these highs with a lot of buying. A lot.
Yeah, I took a long earlier at 54.11 and I cut it at 17 and 16. And I was telling Malik, I woke up this morning and took a long down at the low on my other account at like 5400, 5401. And I cut it immediately because I was up like $600. I didn't realize I took it with 3 minis on my fucking on the ES contract. I thought I was on the EBS contract. I was like, whew. I said, luckily it was a quality trade. It wasn't a bad trade for my phone, but I didn't realize I was on the wrong chart. I was like, why am I up $600 so fast? And I looked, I was like, oh, okay, cut, done for the day. Done with that account for the day. I was like, done with that account for the day.
Exiting clear. Exiting clear.
Thank you for the cash. Cash and dash.
Let's look at this Top Step X. Let's see where we tilted at right now.
Oh, everybody's long. I'm loving it. 65%.
Yeah, 65% long. Hey.
Which is where they should be right now. I want to know who is that 35% that's short right now.
That's the big traders.
I don't know how to read that. I never know how to see.
54.16. Oh yeah. 68 for y'all. Yeah.
I don't see how y'all can see that because it don't show it online.
It's the third one down. The long average price is what he's looking at.
Oh, you know what? My shit's not stretched out. That's why. Okay, now. Okay.
Well, you gotta think that's the average price that people got long at. You know what I'm saying? So people got long a lot sooner than that, I'm sure.
Yeah,
but obviously people are gonna be piling into longs now. Yeah, I mean people are piling into longs, I'm sure, chasing this and being like, oh yeah, we just balanced this bullish, the market's open, and it's gonna dump on their heads. Now I'm playing. I don't know what's gonna happen. Just waiting for my level.
You know. You know.
Waiting on my level to hit.
Bang.
It's been a slow open though. I ain't gonna lie. Yesterday's open was like quick, or it like I don't know. It just remember the days when ES used to open and they'd be like a whole bunch of orders below and above, and it just used to be super fast. Like man, that's when the VIX was at like 30.
bro. It was because the VIX. Remember during that time, the VIX was at during the height of COVID. You guys realize the VIX went to 120. Like, imagine. Okay. Well, yeah. Even then, we were above 30. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the VIX being below 30. God, we haven't seen 30 since October of last year.
Mm-hmm. That's what I said.
That's what I said.
Last year it was 30.
Yeah. All right, YouTube. Who's dropping the nuke? Who's making the VIX go crazy? Who's starting World War III out here?
Bro, first motherfucker take profits, bro. That's it. First motherfucker truly take profits. They truly start dumping this shit. Promo code SLOW gets you a free reset on Top Step. Thank you so much, Mike. If you guys are looking to reset your accounts on Top Step, use the promo code SLOW to get a free reset on Top Step. I got an account that I want to reset.
That you might want to try that. That account, that reset code might not be good anymore. That was for the slow markets last night. He might cap that for his stream or whatever.
Well, I mean, Mike just put it. Oh, that was yesterday.
That was
okay. My bad. I just read this. My bad, guys.
Yeah,
I read the market. I read it last night, guys. My bad. I was reading the chat from yesterday. Well, I didn't see it. He wrote it in the stock VC instead of the barber chat. But that was when you guys were in.
That was when we was in the VC last night. That's all I was trying. That's what I was trying to let you know.
The announcement page.
He can't drop it in. He can't drop it in the.
What do you mean you can't drop it? I said you. He can't do that. I know, Justin.
It wasn't. That was like the last thing on my mind at that very.
Did you
moment.
use the? Did you?
No, I did not use.
I bet you it wouldn't have been the last thing on your mind if you had an account to reset.
I probably wouldn't reset it.
Shut the fuck up, this guy. This guy.
All right, the buying is still coming in pretty heavy right now. That's like when he dropped them $20 accounts or whatever for the slow markets. And I think it was limited to like, I don't know, 5,000 accounts or something. Right, Valdez? Or something like that. Didn't he drop like a discount for like 5,000 accounts? The same guy, the slow markets guy.
They've been going at it for a minute.
Oh, Top Step and Patrick are going ham because I know Oh, we about to break this.
Not Sim Forever streamer. Yo, that's dangerous. That's dangerous. Basically,
he been on one lately. He was going off on Top Step too. That's the tweet that I sent you, Hobbs. He was talking about Apex in that tweet I sent you. That was all him talking shit about Apex.
Yeah, you never really explained that. I was like, bro, why you just can't explain this to me? Why do we gotta read all this? Yeah, he be coming through like that meme when the dude with skates, he rolling through with his shirt off. That's how he be rolling on Apex. Yeah, facts.
About to go.
All right, we just tapped that 26 area right there, so.
Yeah, we're on my level that I want to see some sellers come in, but Jesus Christ.
Yeah, I want us to come up a little higher. Yeah, I want to see us come up higher. We're coming from bullish. Like, this is very bullish character. This is a very dangerous maneuver we're attempting here. I just want to be clear. Like, don't try this shit at home. Don't try this shit at home. This is it. I'm looking at this 1 hour chart. I'm like,
I'm looking at the 5 minute as well. They're making higher highs and higher lows off this bounce.
Yeah. I just want higher. I want a little bit higher. But if we change character here, I'm with it.
Yeah, I think for me right now, I want to see us break down below. I want to see some selling start. Ideally, we break below the 13s and then we come back up and retest. Just looking at the 5 minute because we're making higher highs and higher lows.
Wait, the 13s?
Mm-hmm.
Bro, you're crazy. I'm not waiting fucking 12 points and then a retest. Fuck.
Hey.
You have to take the loan. That's 2 trades. So my plan is to skip the 15-point drop, wait for the consolidation at the low, and then potentially long it back up. But no, I don't want to take the long. Then I'm gonna wait for the retest, and then I'm gonna short the market. God damn, that's 30 points of movement.
That's what I need to see. Hey man, patience.
Mm-hmm. And if one of them don't work out, you take that trade. You tilt.
Nah, if it don't work out, I just walk away. A whole bunch of lows have been taken. PM lows, Asia low, London lows, bullish setup. Yeah, we're looking real bullish right now. What up, Brian? What up, iBomb? JH views in the building. Bullish setup because that low, a lot of lows were taken. Oh yeah, you just said that twice.
Yeah, it's a bullish setup.
Hold on, pause.
The bullish setup isn't up here though. Yeah, the bullish setup was down there, and that's why I said like I already took scalps on the bullish setup. I understand the assignment down at the low, but I'm anticipating a drop from here. So this to me is a bearish setup, right? If you just look at the change of character on the screen, you'll see that we're definitely in bearish character. It's just a matter of, are we going to continue to go higher or lower? That's the question. It's definitely a bearish setup. It was bullish down there. That shit's over. You talking to me? Oh, I wasn't excited at all. I've already taken the long setup. I just scalped it for 5 points or 6 points, and then I got out before it pulled back. And then now I'm looking to take the bearish setup. But I was talking with the chat because the chat was saying that this is a bullish setup, and I'm like, yeah, it is. It's continuing a bullish setup, but I'm looking to reverse it back down based off the change of character on the smaller time frame, understanding that it's risky because of the fact that on higher time frame we still haven't changed character yet. So yeah, that's my thesis. That's my that's what I'm planning to do. But if the market doesn't provide it, then I just won't do it. Mm-hmm. 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 Yep. Yeah. 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 Yep. Mm-hmm. Exactly. And that's where I'm looking to, I'm looking to participate short between 29 and 38. all the way up to about 41. Obviously, if we get above the all-time high, then shorts are dead. But that's the area where I want to look to get in short. ES isn't up to the supply zone yet, but NQ is tapping 610 right now. So I want to see how NQ behaves in this area, because I think it'll give me a good idea of what ES is going to do in the same area.
Yeah, we didn't.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Who order filled? No. Are you trying to short it up here? This is looking real bullish. I just saw a big step in at the low. There's a little bit of absorption going on up here, but
You used to. Remember those days, Pop? I was like, Pop, maybe 1 or 2? Nah, bro, I like it this way. Okay, all right. I got this. It's not my size. Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Could be a double top up here. This reminds me of yesterday when I took that initial loss. Much rather see what this consolidation brings first. Whether we try to break this 26 high and fail, or if we continue to move up.
Just a wee bit higher. Just a wee bit higher. If it flushes from here, I'll mark it, mark the 50% and look to short it from there. But I want higher prices. If we go higher, I'll look for the early entry. But I'm not going to look for the early entry here. I think we go higher.
This area is a value area high. It's my key level that we're rejecting off from. I just want to see us. We're consolidating. I want to see us run the high, fail, and then I'll look to get short.
Bingo.
Or we'll just continue to or if we run the high and we look really, really bullish above the high, I'll just wait for a retest of the level and try to get long.
Mm-hmm. That's why I said if we break this low, then I'll just look for the 50% of this and then look to get short. Or if we run this low, then I'll anticipate us coming back up and running the high, right? Announcing that new trend. Yeah, but I don't want to short it here just yet. I want to wait till it changes character. I don't care about the price. I just I want the price, but I don't care about like how high I get or how low I get. Like I'm more concerned with the order flow shifting. Once the order flow shifts, then I'm interested. Absolutely. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're trading down into this 950 macro, which tells me we might want to trade back up before it's over. Shit. Good call. I forgot about consumer sentiment.
I forgot.
I fucking
Damn.
forgot about that shit. Good call. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna wait for the sweep of the high, which I think we might get. I think we might run the high here after we break character. I think it's a good scalp though for that first initial move down. It's just not. It's not the trade.
Damn, yeah, we do have consumer sentiment at 10. I completely forgot about that too.
Yeah, I announced it too. We were talking about it this morning, but I completely forgot about it. Good call, Valdez.
Yeah, 10 a.m. preliminary.
London highs are being targeted. Yeah, I'm very much aware of London's highs. Like it's all in my plan. That's what that red box is representative of for me. In NQ, yeah, both instruments. 10 a.m. preliminary unit labor. Yep. Red news. Yep. There's that aggressive buying coming in, which is what you want to see when you're looking at short. All of that aggressive buying coming in on NQ and not moving the price higher. It's good business. We'll see. I think we get one more push up, so I'm just gonna be patient. This is the hardest part about my job is just being patient, and that's the hardest part about my job. It damn sure beats moving lumber when I was a laborer. I just gotta sit back and wait. To me, it's not about getting the highest price. It's not about getting the perfect entry. It's about preparing and following your plan and making sure you don't deviate from that plan. You just wait. And right now, my execution plan is kicking in, and my execution tells me to wait, right? So there's only two ways I get the early entry. And that's one, if we get an aggressive sweep, right? Maybe that 10 o'clock candle takes us all the way back up to settlement midnight. We go back to 41, something like that. I mean, at this price looks good here. But if I take a short here, the order flow hasn't shifted here. So when I'm done trading and I lose or win on the trade, what is my thesis for entering the trade? Is it because of the price or is it because of the order flow shift? And I want to be able to say, I saw the order flow shift and or I played the liquidity sweep. So that's why I'm not going to take this trade yet. There's a lower high being put in right there. I just want to see us take the low. No, I didn't. You're mumbling. Good job, man. Good trade. Congratulations, brother. Keep going. I hear you. I'm picking up what you're putting down. Money in the bank. Show you what you think.
What was you in? 3 minis?
Market seems to be waiting on this news here.
Yeah, right now my only plan is if we run the high 46.26 and we fail, then I'll look to get short. Or 54, yeah, 54.26. That is my plan. Eric said, "Got a free reset. Makes you want to YOLO one time." That's funny. Three minutes till news. What are you gonna do, Market? What are you gonna do? Oh, the tape's clearing up. Uh-oh. Oh, she's clearing up.
The tape is so not clearing up. The tape is not cleared up yet.
A little bit.
Huh? There's liquidity everywhere. Okay. They'll clear it up here in about a couple minutes.
Oh, Valdez deafened us. That means he's talking to his video, which means he definitely still in these shorts. He's like, yeah. So look, YouTube, I'm gonna hold on to these shorts through this news, but if I get swept out, I'm gonna re-enter.
Almost there. 4 more points. You got it in you. You got it in you.
We're still looking bullish down here. On the 5 minute, we got a lot of lower wicks. We got one upper wick, but still holding pretty nice. I want to see this fail, but Jesus.
I want to see this get swept. That's all I want to see this get swept. Oh, you took the profit. Nice.
I don't blame you. It's about to get wild.
Okay, Mike said that the code is still active. So if you guys need a reset code, it's slow. SLOW.
Hurry up so you can trade this news. Hurry. You can blow your account. hurry now. Be like Eric. Playing. All right. I think we're gonna sweep up too.
I know you will.
Yes, is definitely gonna sweep this high. Whether we maintain afterwards, I don't know. Here it comes. Yeah, yes is already going for it. Oh my god, look at the spread on ES. The spread is nuts. It's like it's not that crazy, but well, never mind. Should have stayed in that short. Oh wait, nope, we bounced right back up. That short would have printed. Yeah, but we bounced back so quick. We swept up. We swept down. Oh my lord.
Come on, go back up.
The market misbehaves.
Go back up, man. To go back up. We got to announce that trend.
Oh, the market misbehaved.
Oh,
yeah, this wick on tops of X is nutty.
Yeah, that shit came down quick.
Oh, the disrespect,
bro! I just wanted you to come up a little bit, just a little bit.
The disrespect. Oh my god!
Come on, announce the
So
trend.
disrespectful.
Come up and sweep the high now. Come on, get all of these fuckers that just got short on a YOLO. They'll take their liquidity. Come on. Don't do this, market. Don't do this, market.
That was disrespectful.
Bro, that was so fucking disrespectful. I was so mad. I was like, this is what the fuck patience gets you. That's all I was thinking in my brain. Like, there I go, being fucking patient. And the market said, fuck your patience, bro. We out of here. This shit about to drop. This shit about to drop. Come on. Come on back up. Sweep the high. Yes, I do. I want the candle to be bullish. That's what I want. Yeah, come on. It's strong. It's strong. Make them pay for getting short at the bottom. That's what you do to me. That's what you do to me. Make them pay. I would have been fucked already if I'd have got short. They're like, no. We're going right back up, bucko. Oh my God. This does not look like it's going to.
No, it's not.
This is definitely not bullish.
Real bearish right now.
Yeah, it's night.
The market's yelling timber. The market's yelling timber. Yeah, we coming down.
Look at the 15 minute, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 5.
15 minute candle looks deadly, bro.
We based up there. It's not looking too pretty. Maybe we come back up and retest that though.
Yeah, I'm in it. I'm gonna put one contract on here, and then if we come back down, and retest, and I'll get back in. I'll add to the position because this is coming down. We got a doji candle on the 15 minute. Like everything that I want to see has happened. It just didn't happen in the sequence that I wanted it to happen. So I'm getting a late entry, but my risk is managed. I'm playing with a little bit of profit, so I want to see us come back up. But I don't want to let it leave this area. So maybe playing with a little bit of FOMO too. It kind of pissed me off because I definitely could have had it down here at this lows, but I thought for sure the market wanted to sweep this high. It just did not.
We're gonna base here. That's the question.
No, I'm locking in some profit. I'm gonna get out of this. I don't feel good about it. That was a FOMO trade. I'm gonna cut it because if I take it, it's just gonna create a bad precedence for the rest of the day. So I'm just gonna take my lickings and not be stupid. I'm just gonna take the trades that I really want to take. And that trade was definitely not in my plan right there, but it was a damn good trade opportunity. Damn good trade opportunity. That's okay. This means I gotta be a little bit more patient. A little bit more patient. Oh, Chandra says the reset code is HOG. What is HOG? HOAG. Here, I got one I want to reset. Here, let me see. HOAG. Hog.
It's got it's
HOAG. Hog. It's not, but a hog is HOG. Hog.
would have never known that one.
All right, I just dropped it in, but it's not doing anything. It's just loading. So if it works, I'll put it in the chat. Yeah, you got to double check to see which one you're resetting to, if you want to reset one. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I ixnayed that trade.
Yeah, it looks like there's a little bit of buying going on up here. They moved a bit up.
Yeah, I'm glad I took that trade off. I know that that's a trade that I'll fall victim to, where I'm so upset that I missed the entry that I say, fuck it, it's gonna keep dumping, so I'm gonna take it right here. And I caught myself before I took a loss and tilted myself. I was like, no, you're not doing this. So I'm glad I stopped that. But I do like the change of character here. Maybe we get a sweep of this high before we leave this area. So I'm just gonna wait for my plan to play out, because so far nothing has changed. My plan is still valid. We haven't left the area yet, so.
Yeah, we just retested that consolidation area at
This is a much better
54.20.
I like this area here better.
Definitely a lack of buying right there.
Probably just one time trading Yoga Girl. Probably just one time. $54.26 from yesterday. Yeah, that's a level we just rejected from. Yeah, we were both looking for shorts. We didn't get the confirmation, and then the news, it kind of just messed everything up. I got back in on the retest. Okay. Yeah, it didn't work for me either, Chandra. It didn't work for me either. Well, I'm talking about the Hogue, the new code. What was that? I don't know what that was. I don't know what that was. He said, what? I don't know, bro. Yeah, when I tried the code HOAG, it says that it's disabled, so it doesn't work for me.
Oh, maybe they used it all. If it's disabled, it probably worked at one point.
Yeah. I haven't tried that one. Hang on, let's see. Oh, boo.
Oh.
Yeah, Eric, they said they just disabled the codes because
No,
a lot of people weren't they said it was fucking up their system, and I just put the code in and it was just like loading. So I'm assuming these one of the Discord members said they're about to go to forums. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm short. Basically the same entry. I got 54.17. I got a tick better. So I could have just held and added to my position, but I wanted it to sweep that high. But once I realized, like, just looking at the tape, it's not going to do it. Yeah, it wasn't going to do it. So I just took it. Yeah. What you mean you didn't hit?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? No, motherfucker. The fuck? You gotta school me on. You gotta warn me that I'm getting a Bruce Lee reference. Like, no, I did not. I definitely did not. Yeah, nobody want no education shit, bro. We don't do education. Facts. Fuck that motherfucker. He need to shut up. Wait a minute. That's me. Yeah, yes, really be printing out here, bro. Yes, really be printing out here. It's really
ES is always weaker than NQ.
Yeah. I think we're gonna run back up to retest. If we run back up to retest, I'll look to add to my position. But this is my current entry here. I took this entry twice, which is stupid, but it's inverted, so don't at me. I can't trade bearish. I have to trade bullish. So I have to invert my charts when I'm going bearish. I found a way to be a bull. It's always a bull market to me. I don't know what the fuck y'all talking about. It's bearish. Yeah, I'm selling. But I'm playing bullish character. Oh, you short again? Not in the. Oh, you're not. You done with the other account? Got you. Got you. Yeah. The VIX is at 1450 right now. This thing is
I'm waiting on a pullback to get in long. We had that initial pullback right there. I liked it, but I kind of hesitate a little bit. So it's gonna be patient and wait. See if we get a.
Yeah, I think we could pull back into 21. If we pull back into 21, I want to add to my position. I think
Yeah, I wouldn't.
that's why I
not
put
mind
my
that.
stop. Yeah, that's why I put my stop at 26 because I'm anticipating this pulling back into 21. If we do that, I'll definitely look to add. So I like everything about the shorts today. Here comes NQ about to run this damn high. Hopefully ES doesn't run the high and it doesn't take me out. If it takes me out, then I'm gonna be pissed. But I got a plan to get back in if it does take me out. I'm not worried about it. But it gives me what I want, which is a retest of 21, then I'll go ahead and re-add.
Yeah, up there at 20, there was a kind of lack of buying. Plus that consolidation, I do like that consolidation we got beforehand.
And I like the delta up there at 18 to 21 too. The positive delta up there and the negative delta. Like, I love all of that. So.
That was a 10-point drop from the 19s.
Mm-hmm.
Man, when these bulls buy, they just buy so fucking aggressively.
Bro, it's fucking phenomenal how fast they can get this market back up, bro. Phenomenal.
I mean, they just erased like damn near 10 points and like
literally the entire move, bro. The whole move got erased.
That this 5-minute candle is nuts. These pullbacks, if this is a pullback, is it's just a ridiculous.
Yeah, this don't look like no damn retracement to me.
I know. It starts to scare you. It's like, damn, man, y'all ain't gotta do it like this.
To me, bro. Like, what the fuck? Come on, bro. Bears, help. Help. Right, I'll cut it for $50 loss and look to re-enter. Like, you gonna come up like that? That is not what I wanted. Like, what the fuck is that? Yeah, I'll take a $50 haircut right there. I'm not about that life. And they're removing liquidity.
And yeah, I was about to say, and they just took the liquidity away.
Yeah, I cut it for a $50 loss. Like, okay, what the fuck is that? Like, we can't get a decent freaking sell-off here? Like, everything's lining up. Sell this shit. Quit playing.
Man, I swear, these bulls have a fucking problem.
Bro, look at the buying. Like, it's every candle, like, back to back to back to back. No chill.
All right.
I cut that, guys, for a quick $50 loss. I should have took some profit when I saw the aggressive buying coming in, but I still like the shorts, man. I just think the market's trying to play fucking games here.
The market definitely playing games. Games. Bro, just don't drop from here like this. Don't be disrespectful and drop
this
like
is
a rock.
50% of the previous low and previous high, just FYI. This is where it's supposed to drop from, but we'll see. Just giving you a heads up.
Yeah, I just don't want to be disrespectful. Like,
what's your plan? And what are you looking for right now?
No, I'm looking to short right here, but I just wanted to consolidate a little bit, show some slowdown from this fucking big ass rally we just got.
Gotcha.
I hate when the market comes up and it just V-shape drops back down or V-shape recovers. Like, we didn't V-shape recover on the way back up here, but it's like, good lord. I also have to pee, so I really want this to go ahead and figure itself out so I can go pee.
Yeah, I think we're gonna run that high. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the bro? What?
So disrespectful. So disrespectful.
It's dangerous to be a bear out here, bro. Dangerous, bro.
So disrespectful.
One candle, bro. They took that whole 15-minute candle and act like that shit never happened. Yo, that's disrespectful. Yo, that was disrespectful as hell. They took that shit and said goodbye. Bye-bye.
That was some disrespect. All right, I'll be right back. I got after that disrespect, I need a break.
I still like the shorts here. I'm just really wanting a better entry than I got before. The VIX is still strong. The market hasn't done anything to the bullish side as far as taking out structure. I'm bearish as long as we stay below 54.46. I still think this is just par for the course. I think the market's trying to scare everybody away. Don't short the market. Don't short the market, and then they're just going to dump it on everybody. I like that sweep right there that just happened. Let's see if we can actually sweep the high and or go lower. But we're now in bullish character, so I'm going to wait till we change again. But
looks like we're putting a long upper wick here on this 5-minute candle. Well, trying anyway. These bulls are still being disrespectful. But we retest that 5 minutes supply.
Oh, the disrespect.
$250.
It's hard out here for a bear. It's tough to be a bear in this market, bro. That was disgusting, bro. That shit. I was gonna hold through it, and I'm looking at the tape. I'm like, nah, I'm not holding. It's like, give me my damn. Take me out for $50, but I'm not giving you more than that. It's crazy, bro. Nah. When I saw that push, I was like, nah, this is the kind of push that says you're in the wrong direction. This is not a pullback. This is a run your freaking stop, get the fuck out of the way type of push. So I said, nah, I'll let y'all got it. Yo, this candle on the 15-minute is nuts. Yeah, they engulfing the whole 15-minute candle previously.
Yeah, they took everything. They just snatched the bear's souls.
They have no chill, bro. Like these bulls have no chill.
Souls getting snatched.
Yeah, cool story, bro. Cool story. We out of here. Weezy out of here. Yeah, this might
snatched.
This might be the move. I don't know. I know right now this still looks bearish on the VIX. This still looks like something I want to short. I definitely don't want to get long. Not yet.
I don't want to get long as long as we're below 26. Yeah, as long as we're below 26, I'm not getting long.
Well, yeah, as long as we're below 46, I'm not getting long. I'm not gonna get long above 26 either, because we're running right into where the selling started if we get long above there. But yeah, basically below yesterday's high, I don't want to touch longs. All this looks bearish to me still. It's just coming up super bullishly and scaring the fuck out of me. I'll tell you that much.
All right, looks like the selling's coming back in again. Looks like we're gonna break this this low. Looks like we ran the high. Lack of buying. It's looking good for to come back down again, but I did not get an entry signal there. I want to see us come back up. Hold something. The only problem with getting short here is we already broke over that previous swing that brought that previous low. That's the only issue.
It feels trappy as fuck right now. That's what it feels like.
They brought that shit back up.
Yeah, I was about to say, if they come back up and fail, then yeah. But right now, this feels like a trap. It feels like this is exactly where bears want to come into the market. This is exactly where I want to come into the market, but I need to just see a failure right here.
All right, let's try to put some bids here. Pretty big
Yeah,
got filled.
To get filled, yeah. Let's see what happens here. Bro, look at NQ, bro. This feels like a bear trap, bro. It feels like they're trying to take souls away right now. I ain't for it. Come on, stop right here. This is what I want. Fail at this high right here. I'm gonna trap short at 20 right here. Stops at 22. 50.
I like it. I see a little a lack of buying up here at this high. It's hard for me to do anything right here. I'm just gonna wait and be patient.
I'm just gonna trust for you. Trust my levels.
I'm rooting for you. I like what I see on the tape.
So. I would hope you're not rooting against me.
I hope you lose. No, but
I hope you lose. Hey, damn, I would hope you're rooting for me and not against me. I would hope that's the truth. But you know, stranger things have happened. Stranger things have happened. Okay.
No, I like your entry. I like what I saw. I like what I see on the tape.
Yeah, I got it off the 30-second. We tapped back into that 50% at 20, 25, and I was like, I'm taking this just based off the rejection. So if we can continue, if we can break the low and then come back up, I'll add more contracts. But right now I'm just in one. I like that aggressive selling that came in right there as well.
Holy.
What?
At right now.
It's gonna drop from here. Just the matter of, do they want to run that high or not? That's the only thing left for me. If they don't run that high, then I'll be fine. But if they run that high, then I'm gonna look to re-enter after the run of that high.
We'll catch up on the chat in a minute, but this new 5-minute candle opened up with extra volatility. But it looks like we're trying to come down here. We see you in the chat though. We'll catch up. It's just it's trading time.
A Wave Trader says the new contract is 100 points from 20K. Yeah, I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked at all.
Yeah, the new contracts gapped everything up. Who?
No. He said 8,000 on ES.
Yeah, Stokes said 8K.
On ES. I don't think we're gonna see that, but I don't care if we do, to be quite honest.
All right, we're looking extremely bearish here at this low. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Eat. Do we come back up and reject this? Nope. Nice trade, bro. Nice trade. Let's go.
Yeah, entry was sauce. Malik, can you mute your damn mic? It sounds like I'm in the damn studio and somebody trying to put a rap song on and I can't hear them because they muffled. Like, check this out, bro. Yeah, we can't hear you. Anybody understand what he's saying? Anybody understand what he's saying? All I hear is you sound like you in a waffle cone. Yo, check this out, bro.
A waffle cone.
Nobody heard that. Anybody hear that? I didn't hear that.
No, did not hear that at all. Not one bit.
Oh, no.
Didn't you say that already?
Yeah, we heard that part.
You said that like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, we heard that part. I'm talking about like when you weren't talking. I didn't think you were talking. I thought it was just like background noise. I don't think you realize when you're driving, we can hear like the background noise of you driving. So like it's like whoa. It's like a really low tone hum the entire time. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, that's all I was saying. Mm-hmm. It's just the dead air. That's all. That's all. Yeah,
man, this short's looking really good. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I got a better entry. The first short was at 54.17. Yeah, well, I only took 50, so I cut it for $50 loss, and I'm not mad at it. But my plan was to add more positions. But because we came up so bullish, I was scared, and I cut it for a $50 loss. And I'm cool with that because that's not really how I like to trade anyway. I would much rather get the that's going to break the low, right? So if this one breaks the low, then we're good. If it doesn't, that's fine. I'm still bearish below 44. So we could come up and run settlement, run midnight. There's a lot of stuff above us that NQ I don't think ran either. I know ES hasn't run it, but oh, actually NQ did run settlement. It ran settlement, but it didn't run. It did run midnight. Okay, cool. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So as long as one of them has run that level, then there's still potential for the trade to work out. But again, we're so bullish that it's so uncomfortable to be a bear. Like it's like I'm in this short. I got the fucking top, and I feel extremely unsure until this shit drops below the low. Like that's where I'm at right now. So
that's the biggest issue that I'm having.
Bulls
as well.
Are just so strong.
I'm not even in the trade, but damn, it's like
yeah, I'm expecting, if this drops, I'm expecting a huge move. Just watching the volatility index, it's starting to get that rally into 55. Like I'm expecting a very aggressive move to the downside. Once it's starting to fit my analysis that God damn, EQ, would you relax? Bro. Like, yeah, I'm watching NQ's tape like, damn, bro, would you relax? Man, there's so much. It's so clear above us to go long.
Oh,
I need them to put that liquidity back,
like a rock. And so is ES. Matter of fact, we got two low volume candles right there. We're probably coming down.
I really hope so. What time is it?
I think you're good. I think there's just a pullback.
I think it's
just a pullback to go lower.
Oh, I'm comfortable. As long as we break the low. Once we break the low, I'm going to make breakfast. Let's put it that way. I don't expect this thing to come back from here for a long time. If the VIX goes to 15 today, we about to eat. And I'm adding to these positions on the pullbacks. I'm not cutting this entry. If this thing drops below the low, I'm telling y'all right now, if the VIX goes to 15, bro, ooh. Just follow me today, bro. I'm gonna walk you through how to add to a winning position. Because when I have when I have confluences, when I get confluences to agree with my thesis, I get very confident. So if we break this low here at 98, we're gonna get a pullback between 91 and 81, right? Which is where we should pick up a lot of buyers that want to buy this market. Those buyers should take us potentially back into 08, right, for the previous day low tap. But if we just flush straight down, bro, we could see 63 today, 53, 63, 25. That's what I mean when I say there's a huge move that could potentially come from this. 53, 63, 25.
I think we can see 90. I think we can get down to 95 today.
Okay. I think we can get down to 63 today. No, Justin's saying 53.95, which is 30 points away. Yeah, I know. Justin be my shit be egregious, but Justin be so conservative. I think we could drop 30 points today. It's like, motherfucker, it's 10 o'clock. Of course we're gonna see that level if we drop. But yeah, ultimately, like, if we drop below this level, like I said, I think that there's a lot that could happen down below here. And I'm just watching the VIX continuing to pump. And if the VIX gets above 15, it's going to be an official drop day. Like, it's going to be a drop kind of day.
Stocks. Oh my God. Meanwhile, NVIDIA decided so now NVIDIA wants to be opposite because NVIDIA been rallying all day, but now it's dropping, so that's good.
Look at Google though. Look at the Google and Meta. Yeah, Meta usually be telling the story ahead of time. All right, we're closing. We're trying to get below that low now. We can drop below this low. We should be good to go.
I think
I got an egregious take profit on this, so don't at me. Come on, get below the previous day low. There's so much selling on the VIX right now. So much selling. Oh my God.
I think you guys are good. We may come back up again, maybe to like VWAP and then flush, but
I'm not worried. Risk is managed. Risk is $125. I'm already up 9 points on the mini, so let it ride. Come on down. Sometime this year would be nice. Yes, Jesus.
You know,
like, what the fuck, bro? Like, what the fuck? Just take the, like, damn, can we just drop already? Like, what the fuck? What are we doing right here?
You know,
yeah, you've lost. Bulls, your beat. Like, just fucking go. Like, get out of the way. Like,
you know, hindsight being 2020, y'all laughed at me, but exactly what I said I wanted to see happen ended up happening. I'm just throwing it out there. I know I didn't take it because I was scared. But,
well, you're not even allowed to speak on it if you didn't take it.
I can still speak on it
because y'all exactly. If that's the case, you make yourself sound crazy.
So you go wait till 12 to break just for it to come back up, then short it.
We didn't laugh at your thesis. We laughed at how you planned on trading it.
Y'all would 100%. Y'all would 100% laugh at me. Y'all would 100% laughed at me. Go back and look at the tape.
Go back and watch the tape.
Y'all would 100% laugh.
Justin, we said if the market goes back up, you're missing out on opportunity. You could short it and long it back up and then short it back down. That's what we said. We were talking about the amount of opportunity that you were discussing right there and not taking. Nothing.
I ended up sitting on my hands because I was
the audacity of
what happened. But I'm just saying
what we talked
I'm
about.
just saying
You didn't take either one of
y'all sat here and laughed at me. Yes, y'all
Whatever,
did.
man.
Yes,
Whatever.
y'all did.
I'm gonna
Y'all
focus on my
100%
trade because
did.
I definitely wasn't laughing at you.
Y'all 100% did. Y'all 100% did.
Okay, fine. I laughed at you, and I'm laughing at you now because you didn't take the trade.
I mean, that's fine. That's cool. I'm cool with
Neither
that.
one of them. All three of them. All three of the analysis that you just talked about, all three of them played out, and you didn't see confirmation to get in one time.
That's
so
true.
if you want to blame that on me, then it was.
Oh no, I'm not blaming it on you at all. I'm not giving you. I'm just saying. I just think it's funny that y'all laugh at me. That's all.
Why do you think we didn't laugh at you, bro? We literally. Okay, whatever. Okay, then I laughed at you. Yep, and short for the top. Yeah. Yeah.
My book map is straight.
Bulls have no fucking chill, bro. Like none. They just continue buying. You think you know. I do. I definitely do. I'm in my trade. Like yeah. Yeah. Probably my same target on freaking ES. Yo, I just wish we could just get out of this area. What the fuck? Bulls. Y'all stop, man. Oh my gosh. I'm locking in profit. I don't like this shit. I don't like this. She said, "Can you fix the book map on ES?"
I don't. Why don't you try leaving and coming back? Because I still see book map running. Oh, yes.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh, nice. Good job. I just be careful right here at 15. This is where we rejected. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm locking in some money. I can't lose, but Jesus Christ, man. These bulls are just refusing to break the low. The bears are just do not want to take this low. Everything that I'm getting is telling me to hold this trade. But god damn, the bulls are just fuck. Yo, what the fuck, bro?
They come up so disrespectful.
Bro, like just I mean, damn. It's like we weren't even down there.
Yeah, it's
Bro, it be your old people, bro. It be your old people, bro. Uh-oh. Macro time. All right, here we go. Yeah, that was the macro. But we're 5 minutes. We're 5 minutes away from the macro. I'm damn near about to add to this shit because the VIX is still coming up. But I'm not gonna add until we get until we break the low. If we break the low, then I'm with it. I'm gonna go make some breakfast, man. Our risk is managed. It is what it is. I think it's a good trade, and I think my analysis is spot on. I'm just trying to allow this trade to scare me out of position. I'm not gonna do that. I'll be back.
Man, this is crazy. Every time we come back up so aggressive. But let's see if we form some type of structure here like we did kind of before. This looks exactly the same as it did the first time we came up. We did break that low, which is positive. I mean, we didn't really break the wick low though. So this could be also a double bottom as well. I don't know. Oh, look at these fucking bull. Yeah, I cannot. Anytime we get to the low, we bounce. Anytime we get to the high, we reject. We're making a nice range, and the range is to the downside, but Jesus Christ, talk about lack of continuation today. Let me try to catch up with these comments. Good tell 3, that's the old guy on here. It didn't work for me. In bulls we trust. Yeah, they're holding it up. NQ to 19700. Oh my god, the tape is even speeding up. Yeah. Oh, down? Yeah, maybe. Every time I came here, always want to short something. Short these nuts, bro.
Who said that?
Mr. Pot Liquor. Here comes London Highs. Oh, you talking to me? Damn. Ouch. 1050 will send to the boot. Okay. 5K on gold, 8K on NQ currently. That's what you're up. Can't wait for this payout. Let's go. Wait, how much the moon costs? Yeah, more than you can afford. NQU 2024 new contract is 100 points from 20K. Yeah. NQ Q4 22.5 SMT continuation inside larger Q3 90-minute distribution quarterly stock working in this time
that
window.
Don't sound like a lot to y'all. Like that's
Woo.
Damn.
Woo. Got through it. Yeah, this is starting to look like this is about to be the retracement here to come down again. 22.5 minute, huh? 30-minute inversion, fair value gap, and 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Higher prices on the way. That was at 10:30. That was when we was dumping. We already had a crazy drop during London. Why would it do it again? Plus, was it in deep discount? I think 19,700 on the way. I don't think we're in deep discount at all. I think we've been in premium for a while now, but you know.
It's pot liquors, man.
He's a permeable who also eats off bears is what he is.
Yes.
He knows. I'd be careful shorting this. Yeah. I mean, it's just the bulls come back up aggressively every single time, but we're breaking lows. It's just these bulls are up to something. They're up to something. Mr. Potts True Open gave us that bullish setup with all the lows that happened taken out. Agreed. NQ just dropped to 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Sorry, listening to Private MTG about Apex. Who is Private MTG? Oh, about the new rules. Gotcha. Oh, there's more new rules coming? Good lord. The bulls are taking everybody's lunch money. Yeah, every drop they're coming back in, but I mean, it's only up to a certain point and then we dump from there, so. We're getting this consolidation here. We tried to run up. We failed. I'm seeing kind of a lack of buying going on up here at these highs, though. We'll see what happens. Maybe the bulls continue to buy.
Jesus Christ, man! Like, can we just get one day of peace? Like all of this fucking selling.
These are your friends. These are your friends.
These are not my friends.
These are your friends.
I am a bull. Yes, these are my friends, but it'd be your own people that try to take you out, bro. So it is.
These are your friends. Tell them to calm down. Go make a phone call or something. Tell them to relax.
I tell you one thing: if they come out of this bullish, I think I'm out. I'm stopped out there for profit. God damn. Stay the fuck down. Shit.
they have no quit in them at all. This range is some nasty.
That's it.
Though.
If I take another one, I'm fucking getting out for 10 points. That's it. Fuck this range.
You just gotta cut it at the low because like they don't give him much past the low.
Bro, that's it, bro. That's it.
They do not give much past the low. Oh man, the other thing that's really shitty about today right now is that we're still within the pre-market range. We're still within the pre-market drop range.
Yeah.
And that low is still holding. So like we haven't broken the low of the pre-market.
Yeah, I like my trade. I got back in at 18, but what I like about the trade is that every time we come up to the high, we keep failing. It's just we're coming up so fucking strong that it's kind of scary, right? Like it's like, damn, I don't want this trade to go red on me after being up that many points, but it's like I shouldn't even be cutting it because once it comes back up there, like fuck, like you already gave up 90% of the move. Like, what's the point? You know what I mean? Yeah. But I also want to get this entry because I think this is the entry, but maybe it's not. Maybe the market goes straight back down. I haven't taken a loss yet, but that's not the point. Like I'm believing in my thesis. I understand what the chat is saying. I understand what you guys believe, but I also have my own strategy not strategy. I have my own thesis. Right now, we're starting to look extremely bullish at the bottom, right? And I'm taking that trade off. Just looking at the structure right now, we're putting in higher lows. No matter how much I want this to drop, we're putting in higher lows and higher highs, right? So I got to cut that, right? Because that's an incorrect era of reading the market. Even though I really like this area did not bring a new low, right? So I got to cut it because of that. So you got out in the nick of time.
This is some nasty work. Some nasty work.
iPod says 35 people in here, 26 people need to hit the like button. Let's get it, y'all. Hit that like button. Tip the barbers. You already know what it is. This is ugly, man. Like even the entry that I got this morning still would have been stopped out. Like I was long at 54.11. No, I wouldn't have actually. We failed to break the low this morning too. We actually did the exact same thing.
Yep, these bulls are over here playing games.
What is their plan though? Like, I guess they're trying to go take the previous day high and all-time highs. Oh, if they go for all-time highs, I'm just beat. Like, shit. Like, what more do I need to see to short the market? Like, god damn, the bulls are taking the volatility. They're like, yeah, great. So now we have a reason to actually pump this shit. Golly. Yeah, honestly, the trades that I took were great trades. I just didn't take the profit down at the lows because I was expecting a much larger move. I'm not upset with any of the trades I took. I think I took really good trades. I just was expecting way too much out of the market and these damn bears. All right, this is important to see what NQ does up here. I think NQ is about to flush, or it's in an area where it should be looking to come down. Let's wait for this next macro here. That would have been my stop right there at 22. Yep. Run that shit too. Just cannot underestimate these fucking bulls, bro. 1050. It's a 20-minute macro, so 11:10. We came in bullish, which is what I want. I want to see us come down by 11:10. I think we're consolidating the drop. I'm just playing the range. I should have just been playing the range instead of thinking that I had the drop candle without the sweep of the high, without taking that liquidity up there.
Is the game on tonight?
I don't know. I don't care about the game. I'm trying to focus on trading.
This has been the worst finals I've ever seen in my life. And I'm waiting. I'm waiting for you to get back up to 26. So I think we're gonna. The Bulls done erased it all. It is nasty work over here.
Didn't. It would have stopped me out no matter where my stop was, except behind the ultimate high at 27, and my stop wasn't going there. Bro, I got in at 20, bro. My stop was just now hit at 23. they would have came back up, took my liquidity, and then knocked my ass right back down.
What up, Custom? Where's your boy at, Custom? Where your man's at, Custom? I try to email him.
Okay.
Oh no, I mean I see the market kind of starting to flatten out here, but I'm still waiting. What up, Chris? Yeah, I see it. I'm watching the tape. This could be a double top, potentially. We got a potential double bottom on the low. We put liquidity at 54.23 and now 54.21. Let's see what we do here. I let that liquidity go. Yeah. This is still looking extremely bullish. I can take it back to all. Odd. Let's see what we do here. Still can't get over the 22s.
Bull said, "Hold my beer." Yo, these motherfuckers. Yeah, these motherfuckers feel different, bro. I ain't never seen no market this goddamn bullish before. This is crazy. They are absolutely refusing to break down. Take one right there. I like that. 21.75. Stops at the ultimate high this time. Now you're just gonna have to come and get me, bitch. Damn. I think the longer we sit up here, the better it is for the Bears, but it's so fucking annoying. And it makes me feel like we're not going to leave this area without taking out that liquidity up above. Give me something. There we go. There we go. I added right before the macro. Fucking shit, bro. The fuck? That shit was painful. Please don't come back up. Please, God, don't come back up. Let's go down, Rocky. Stay down, Rocky. Fuck. Oh my God. Stay down, Rocky. No. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
They better run this shit again, bro. They don't want to give nothing, bro. We can't get 3 points about the house. Shit. We can't get 3 points.
Oh my God.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck?
They just ran the low and said,
yo, that's so bullish. Nah, I'm out, bro. Fuck it. I'm done trying to short this shit until we come to higher time frame. That was painful. Fucking shit. These motherfuckers feel different down here, bro. They feel different.
Still struggling to get above 23 though.
This candle don't look like it's a struggling shit.
I mean, they did eat up all them.
That sweep of the low was it for me. I was like, nope, I'm out. Once we swept and came right back up, all right, cool. Y'all got it. Y'all win. NQ looks so bullish on the tape. It's fucking nuts. NQ's tape look like it's oh, dear
we back.
God. Dear God. How are we this bullish, man? It's Friday, bro.
I don't know. Because I don't know. I know he's sitting at home learning the charts. I thought he would get something out of it. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink. Facts. I emailed him, so I mean, I don't know what else to do. I mean, I can't get in touch with him any other way. So other than
you tried everything, man. But I don't know. Why would you give us your money and not even show up to nothing? That's weird. But
well, he can't. He's not even in. He can't even show up because he can't even get in. Like that Chris Brown song. Yeah, but anyway, tried. 19,700 end of day. Forget VIX. I'm the indicator. The VIX can give false signals too.
What? Who's that?
I don't think, you know who the indicator is.
Pot liquor?
Of course.
Okay. Well, so when the VIX was going up, the market was going down.
On.
The market just couldn't break a level, just like the VIX can't break a level, right? So I don't think the market
is moving up.
I know, but the VIX isn't breaking. It's stuck at a level, just like the market is stuck at a level. Every time we go to the low, the market's stuck at the low. The VIX is stuck at the high. So tell me how they're not the same. I can put them right next to each other if you would like, but I've done that before multiple times.
Well, that was pretty bearish.
The next time I'll just try to Google. I'll try to look up the pot liquor indicator and make sure I put that on my chart.
We ran the low and we ran the high, and now we're back into the consolidation range.
We've gone nowhere. We've gone nowhere.
I think we might be coming down.
Yeah, me too.
Let's see. I don't want this to break, but if we come down and test the low imbalance and we hold the 22s, I'll look to get, well, if we come back up and hold these 22s, I'll look to get short.
We're at 20.
We ran the high, ran the low, back in the consolidation. That's pretty bearish. So just don't leave without me. Just don't leave without me.
It's a half a tick away right now from your entry.
Yeah, that's a good point.
He's still waiting for 22. It's at 40, 54, 21, 50. What do you want, bro? Like, what are you talking about right now?
All right. That's a good point. All right.
That man said, that's a good point. No shit. No shit. A half a tick away is what you're waiting on right now. For real? Like, press the fucking button, bro. Like, accept the risk and move the fuck on to the next trade. Jesus Christ.
Okay. Yes, I am going to cry. I'm going to cry myself to sleep. I'm going to cry myself to sleep. Yes. That's Hop's fault.
It's your fault. You told me to take a half a tick. I should have waited for my entry.
Should have waited for
your entry was a half a tick away. It's all your fault, Hobbs. I wanted to risk a half a tick.
It's 100% all Hop's fault.
He would have missed his trade because he would have waited for this sweep and then pressed to come back to 22.
Nah, we retested 2022 and failed, so I got it on that. We did.
I know we did. Justin, I'm the one that told you we did. You was like, yeah, we're waiting for 22. I was like, bro.
And we did.
Yeah. I'm not going to tell the market justice. I'm so sick of this shit reversing. It's shut up. Valdez, just shut up. Let it happen. Whatever's gonna happen, let it happen. Yo. Yeah, I if this doesn't come down, like, this is probably my last trade on the day. I'm not gonna ruin my Friday. This is it. I sized up for this trade, so this has to work. This has to work, or it's fucking out. I swear to God, I'm out. Because if this shit comes back up one more time, bro, it's over. It's over for me. Wait, what? Yeah, we in, bro. I didn't try to take these shorts 3 different times, bro. 3 different times, bro. These fucking bulls keep fucking lighting my ass up. they like, stop fucking shorting. I'm on ES. I'm at 2150. Bro, fucking bust this shit. Flush this shit, bro. I sauced up on their ass on this one. I'm not gonna lie. I'm in 3 cons. Fuck them.
You in three ES contracts?
I'm in 3 fucking ES contracts. This market pissed me the fuck off, bro.
My God.
I got pissed, bro. I'm so fucking mad at these bulls right now. Like, what the fuck, bro? Like, just fucking go down, bro. Somebody better come in. Somebody better come and get me, bro. I'm pissed. I'm fucking angry now. Fuck. Look, they coming back up. I cannot with these motherfuckers, bro. These niggas is horrible. The Bears, like, everything is yelling. Everything is yelling. Drop. The market's like, nah. The market's like, nah. Yeah, we like it up here. We'll stay up here. We like it. Yeah, that's what's making me want to sell my position here.
You should be scared.
Ready to deleverage here. Fuck. Oh my God. No. Huh? Oh. Yeah, I'm on ES. Bro, what?
Oh man.
What the absolute fuck? Come on.
Man.
Welcome, Justin. Welcome to the other side, bro. I just wanted you to feel this pain with me.
Oh man, that's tough.
Easy to be in here with us, bro. Like fucking shit, bro. Just run my shit, bro. Oh my god.
Oh, Google looking hella bullish right now.
Bro, this is nutty. This is fucking nutty.
Nutty bar. Oh yeah, they put in liquidity below.
All right. I deleveraged out of 2 contracts for break even, but fucking shit.
It follows you.
Yeah,
that's what the drawdown does. Yeah, it's at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well I just got stopped out there, so
I'm out too.
I'm not. They're putting liquidity below. I probably should have got out when I saw liquidity below, but yeah, this is bullish. This is
extremely bullish. This is crazy bullish. This is nuts, bro. This is nuts.
We ran the high, ran the low. I ran the low, then ran the high. I thought that was pretty bearish, and that shit.
Look at the 4-hour fucking candle, bro. Jesus Christ. These fucking bulls, bro.
Oh,
we can't even get. You see the 4-hour candle?
I did.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is wrong with them? What is wrong with them? What the fuck, man? All right, I gotta go. I gotta walk away. I'm closing the charts. That's three back-to-back fucking wins turn losses. I gotta close the charts, guys. I'm still here, but I'm closing Top Step. That's too much for me. And they were all really good trades. It's just the market just does not want to give. It doesn't want to give anything to the downside. We just want to consolidate inside of this range. So I need to take a step back and just kind of reanalyze what the market's trying to accomplish here. Because as bearish as I am, I understand that there's a lot of selling, but the market may not be ready to come down yet until it takes that liquidity at the high. And that may be why we just keep going up and up and up and up and trapping and trapping and trapping. All those people that are becoming liquidity inside of this range is going to fuel the dump if it comes to the downside, right? So instead of just continuing wasting tokens in here, I'm just going to regather myself and say, okay, this may not be the area where the market wants to go down from. You've tried to trade this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I've tried to short this market and all of them were winners, but I took losses on them. That's a little frustrating. And, I don't want to ruin my Friday just by being extremely frustrated by the market not doing what I wanted to do when I wanted to do it. So I'm going to close down for now and then potentially look to see what the 1150 macro has to offer, because this one looks like it's going up. We still got to get above the high though.
I'm gonna try one more short here. I'm seeing some selling. I saw some absorption up there. Not a lot, but I'm gonna try one more.
Godspeed.
Yeah, I'm risking $125. Okay, yeah, you don't have to do that to me though. Definitely a possibility. I don't know. I just saw them let the liquidity go where they was bringing the price up, and then the way that we were looking up here, I was just spotting a little bit of weakness. So I'm gonna try one more short here. This is a double top as well. So again, I'm gonna target the lows. I got a better entry as well. I got about a point better. My first target will be the low, and then my second target will be the 95s. I'd also love to see the VIX rally up above this supply zone. If the VIX can rally, then that'll make me feel a lot better about this trade.
It's just the longer they stay at these lows, the more uncomfortable it is to try to be in a short. But eventually, these motherfuckers got to break, bro. There's no way the VIX has got this much selling and the market's not going to drop. It's just how it's being delivered that just makes me so annoyed. I think that's kind of the point, right? So. It's everybody knows the shorts are coming. Minute you say it's gonna go straight to the bottom. Yeah, you know how it is, Vincent. You know what it is. Give me that. The Bulls taking your lunch money. Yeah, they coming for me, Chicago. They fucking coming for me today.
Here come these Bulls again.
Hit zone pushing down. Lows. Yeah, the Bulls is out there taking. They took my lunch so many damn times, bro. Like I'm over it. I'm fucking over it. And all they do is just once they sit at those lows, you might as well just start selling your position, because once they sit at those lows, they're going higher, right? Yeah, I don't regret walking away at all. I'm not gonna ruin my fucking fun.
Damn.
Nope.
Okay, they put some liquidity at the 24s. Like the buying just doesn't. Every time they buy, it doesn't look strong, but it's like they just move it. They move it back to the upside.
They just slowly get stronger and stronger. This is like consistent buying with all of the selling. Because I mean, imagine how many people they're trapping right now. Like they're trapping so many sellers that saw that crazy dump last night. Because that's why that's where I got interested. And then I'm seeing the VIX push up. Like, of course, this looks like a great opportunity to short the market, and that's exactly why it's probably a great opportunity to get long, which is absurd. But fuck, I mean, there's nothing happening at the lows except for more buying. Every time we come down to the lows, the market picks it up and goes higher. But there's definitely absorption happening at the high, so it's hard to ignore that. But then we just make a new high, and then they do it again. So. All I know, if this shit comes to 54.2875 and dump, I'm probably going to be off on Monday.
Oh my God.
I told you, bro. Like, these motherfuckers is nuts, bro. They are fucking nuts, bro. They have no relaxation in them whatsoever. All right, maybe this is the run of the liquidity high. Maybe. All right, they officially just ran the high from ES. Yeah, they just ran those highs on ES pretty aggressively. So let's see what they want to do. Let's see what they want to do now. They've officially run the pre-market high. I'm sorry, not the pre-market high, the current high of the day. The opening candle high. Well, ES still has midnight and and liquidity from London up at the top. So that could be it. The 15-minute looks dangerous. 30-minute looks fucking disgusting. The 4-hour looks absolutely bullish as hell. This market is crazy, bro. It's not the market. It's, I don't know. Like, I just felt like I had a really good thesis this morning and the market just didn't agree so far. Yeah, legit, bro. It looks so good for shorts.
Oh, now you want to run it? Now you want to run it?
Fucking knew it, bro. They wanted that fucking high, bro. Like, I fucking knew it, bro. Fucking knew it. Once they ran that fucking high, that shit fucking flushed. Look at NQ. God damn. Oh, I gotta walk away. Oh my God. Bro, NQ dumped so hard the tape fucking skipped a beat. Tape skipped a beat. Oh gosh. Now the real question is, what do they do after? Like they did what they were supposed to do. They ran the high, they came back into the lows. Let's see if they actually intend to change character. Now that's the real question. Or are they gonna run this high too? NQ's already coming back up. See, whenever we get that aggressive selling and we don't keep going, it's never a good sign. Yep, trap more bears. It's unshortable, bro. This market is the Teflon fucking Don right now. Just get long on sweeps, bro. At this point, like that's basically the move right now. Every time it sweeps, just take it long. Can't go wrong but long in the market, apparently. This is crazy. Look at this shit. The only other trade I'm willing to take is if we come to 54.2875 on the 30-minute. That was my original plan. And I got caught up in this action down here, shorting and not taking profit, which is all my fault, by the way, not anyone else's fault, all my fault. I should have been taking the profits at the lows or when I see something changing. And I definitely saw the signs. I just ignored them because I wanted my longer profit. And yeah, all of those trades that I posted in chat are all losers. All of them. Oh, the 1 hour SMT on ES and NQ is creating the move up. I mean, I guess. I mean, however it makes sense to you, that's fine. I mean, I think that this is still bearish. I think the market's still making higher highs and higher lows on this side of the market. But I think until the market takes this high, all of this is just bearish character. And looking at the VIX, I think the market still wants down. I just think I'm early. That's what I think. I think the market wants down. I've just been trying to short it at other levels than mine, right? Like I shorted it at a level where I saw the market like break down, right? But that wasn't the level that I have an analysis that the market will potentially come down. So at this point, we're so close to what I think the level is. I'm just gonna wait to see if the market wants to come up there. And we tapped Justin's level like 4 times, and every time we've gotten rejected. It's just the level's not bringing a break of structure, and we don't know if that break of structure is coming. But I'm gonna trust my analysis on the VIX, right? My analysis on the VIX is telling me the market is still rallying, but it's not really rallying. We're stair-stepping up, right? We're stair-stepping up into a bearish area while the VIX is rallying up. That is a bearish divergence if I've ever seen one, right? So you have your analysis, I have mine. Right? My analysis is telling me we're going to dump, and I'm going to trust that analysis. So, but I understand, like, you know, your bearish SMT is the same thing as a bearish divergence with the volatility index. Right? There's a 100% divergence between the VIX and the indices right now. And when that happens, it means that the market is gearing up to sell down, usually. So the more this pumps up, right, the more aggressive it gets, when we get to the high, the more I'm going to be wanting to short it, right? So I'm just going to try to be patient and wait for 54.28.75 because that's where I think we're going. Made 2K last night during London sesh, hit 3 shorts back to back. Good job, Olivo. Yeah, shorts was crazy on the London session last night. Interrupting the VIX momentum. JXY is bearish and VIX is bullish. Again, I'd have to study that. I don't know what the divergence between the VIX and the dollar would have. Like, I don't even know why they would even be related. Right? Like, why would the S&P fear and greed index be related to the dollar? I don't know what the correlation of those two would be. So I'd
because normally the dollar being bullish is bearish for the indices and vice versa, I believe, or maybe or the opposite, one of the two, but they are correlated.
Yeah, I have to just do some research. Again, I'm not disagreeing. I have questions. That's all. Yeah, see, like every single candle that we get, although we're moving higher, we're doing the exact thing that I want to see to short the market. We're not aggressively pushing up to this level. We're not like, really, really pushing. Instead, we're stealing liquidity from both sides in a stair-step manner, which is telling me the market still wants to sell off. And as long as the VIX is on my side, I'm going to be looking to short this market. As long as we're below yesterday's high, I'm going to be looking to short this market. I'm just going to try to be a little bit more patient and selective with my entries. Because we're in the definition of a rising wedge right now. So if the VIX weakens, it will move up quickly. I agree. I think if the VIX rejects, I would love to answer your questions. No, it's not a question that I would ask you. I would go look it up myself and then we can have a discussion. No disrespect to you, but I like to get my answers from the book, right? Like, or like the history or like the data. And then I said I would have questions that could be answered through that. And then we could have a discussion. That way I educate myself as well. And then I discuss it with you. See what I'm saying? That's what I mean by that. Like I said, I don't disagree. I just, when you said it, I was like, well, why would that happen? So right off the back, I don't have the answer, but I don't know. NQ looks extremely bearish right now. Like, there's nothing about NQ that says we're about to push up. I feel like everybody's just waiting on ES to get his punk ass up here to 54.29. And once it gets up here, inside of this 1150 macro, I think it's going to be game time. I'm back on a horse now. So it was a small intermission. I had to get my life together real quick. We'll see what happens at this level here. All right, that's the first tap of 54.28. Let's see how the tape reacts to this area. Yeah, it's like that. Yeah, exactly. It wants. There's liquidity at this level. Like, the market sold off aggressively from this level for sure. It's just a matter of can it Is it enough selling to break that low down there? Are these true sellers, or are these true buyers, or are these true sellers? I think they're true sellers. And the VIX is telling me that they're true sellers. Until the VIX lies to me or it goes the opposite direction, like, VIX is going the opposite direction. VIX just got a nasty candle to the drop side on the 1 hour. Let's see what happens here. No nice resting liquidity on the tape that I like to see right now. In regards to the tape, the liquidity still sits at 50. Right, but nothing in this particular area. But I'm watching this area very closely to short. There goes NQ back up rallying. Still looking extremely bullish here. Not a train I want to step in front of just yet. Are some big sellers that are getting filled though on the way up that I'm noticing on the tape. All right, here's the sweep I want to see right here. All right, again, tapping that 28, 29 level again. I'm gonna take one contract right there, 27.
That's crazy. This market doesn't even want to sell down like 5 points.
I'm gonna start a position right here. Stops above the daily fib. Also, the thing that kind of fucked me up mentally on that last trade is the fact that I sized up. I shouldn't have done that. But but I also like deleveraged the position. So now I'm in a position size that I can control my emotions on. That was all a rage trade. It worked out, but I shouldn't have done it that way. I'm short 54.27 now. We tapped exactly at my level at 28, 25. And I don't want to let the market get too far away from this area. I think we may still get one more sweep, but this time I'm going to manage to trade a little differently. The minute we break structure, I'm probably going to take profit. Depending on how we break structure. As long as we stay below 32, I like this trade. On ES. There we go. I want to see the VIX start pushing back into that 60 level. Get that push above 70. That'd be great. Lack of buying at the highs, liquidity is being removed from the lows. Looks like the market is gearing up to come down a little bit. See what happens. Well, I'm playing the level off the 15-minute. So the supply zone, the macro is not the only time that I take an entry, but in the event that it does go higher, I'm playing the 15-minute supply rally drop base drop at 4:15, the London time frame from 4:15 to 4:45. So that's the area that I wanted to trade in, and then I'm giving it the high above there. So even if the macro comes in, I'm protecting myself by putting my stop behind that zone at 32.75. So do I trade the macros? Yes. Is it the only reason I take a trade? No. I trade off my levels and the area in which that I deem the market should be looking to come down some. And then the confirmation that I was getting on the tape in that area made me want to take the short right there. The more important part is the fact that I took the short at the high where I deem the high to be, and that my risk is managed behind the range that I think the market shouldn't break. So I'm taking the trade based off the protected high at 54.32. You see that over there on the drop base drop? Okay, yeah. So even if we rally back up inside of the macro, then if we put in a new high or a new low here, the macro should give me an opportunity to add to the position. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong behind 33, right? That's what I'm willing to risk. So I'm giving it 6 points of risk, and I'm willing to risk behind that range. I'm betting that the market won't take that range, right? If I'm wrong, then I'll accept that risk. I don't like the fact that the VIX is selling down now that the market's coming down, which is fucking weird. But I'm betting on the fact that this rally took so long to come to this level that I don't think it's bulls that are rallying this. I think it's the bears that are rallying the market, trying to steal liquidity on the way up. And I'm going to stick to that thesis. So. Vincent, my stop is at 33. I'm short 27. My stop's at 33 based off the 15-minute time frame.
Yeah, I like the 5-minute candle we just got. That 5-minute rejection candle was really, really good. I think we trapped a lot of buyers up there at that high. And like you said, we came back up. I got short at 25. So but of course I have to go in 5 minutes. So I'm hoping that we can get a flush. My target is the 10s.
Yeah.
First target's the 17s though.
Yeah, I think if VIX can just get back on board and eventually break that high, I'll get everything I want out of this trade today. I've just been so frustrated because the market's been taking me through that 3-hour fucking death trap. And then I just kind of took a step back and just like, okay, where do I want to trade? Not where anybody else went. Where do I want to trade? Where I want to trade is 28. So I wasn't letting the market leave and without getting an entry at 28. Like that wasn't going to happen because that's my analysis, right? I have the market stopping at 28.50 today. And so far we've stopped at 28.25. So let's see what the market wants to do from here. All right, they're moving the liquidity down. They're moving it away from 20, which is interesting. I want to see this pop up here. Check my phone. Okay. Oh, yes. You probably thought we beating our kids, huh? Yeah. Nah, I'm on it, baby. Thank you. Vincent, are you in the short or are you long trying to take my liquidity while you asking for my stop?
Where we place it in stop loss, he's probably
He
short.
said, where we placing our stop?
He's probably short.
Yeah. Yeah, I think the market was down, like very, very aggressively down from here. So I just had to recenter myself, man. Like I was getting fucking the skates in this damn chop, bro. I was like, hold up, stop.
You ain't the only one, bro.
I was like, hold up, stop. We're not doing this shit. Like, you know how to trade this shit. Just wait. Just wait for your area to hit. I started too much. That's what it was. I was like, let me. Yeah, but my entry in my original trade was too deep. Pause. It was too low for me to put this stop loss, because this stop loss I feel comfortable with, right? So theoretically, what I should have been doing, you see what I'm saying? Like the entry was important for me. So yeah, see, I didn't get 20 the first time. If I would have got 20 the first time, then maybe I'm still in this trade. But it, because I didn't get that level the first time, right? Like it really like sent me for a loop through there. And the fact that I wasn't taking profit on the scalps that I was taking. But
yeah, I think that was the big thing.
Yeah, that was the thing that was sending me on tilt.
Taking profit.
Yeah, I wasn't taking profit, and then I got frustrated because I was seeing my P&L go from 500 to 1,000 to nothing when I'm done, and it's like, bro, what? Like, no, we don't do that. We don't do that no more. So this time I'm taking the entry that I want, and I'm allowing the market to go to where I think it's going to go. Damn when anybody else thinks. And so far we're off by a quarter of a tick. So.
Yeah, I'm gauging price here. We're at VWAP. We're at a low. I may take off half my position here. If we can't break, I'm taking half.
We're going to break this shit this time. They're removing.
I also have to go, which is unfortunate. I'm about to take my
right now?
Yeah, I'm about to take Top Step on the road.
Hey, let's go, baby. Download it. He said, I'm about to take Top Step on the road, baby.
Top Step on the road.
Just please, Justin, please don't wreck, bro. Don't do nothing stupid. Like, just make sure you check it when you're not mobile. All right, again, we're coming to this low here. I'm going to go ahead and deleverage my position and lock in some profit, because why the fuck not, right? We're up about 9 points on the trade, but I'm not going to let this trade go red on me again. That's not happening. I've done that 4 times this morning, and I've been getting smoked by these fucking bulls. So if they come back up this time, I'm ready for their asses. Or at least deleverage. No, you know what? I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm just gonna deleverage down my stop. I like this. I like this. This is true. This looks good. They're removing the liquidity beneath us.
Right.
And of course they added back right when I said this shit. All right, Justin, let's go ahead and end the stream right there so you can walk away.
All right, sounds good. Yeah.
Let me post my trade idea here, and I'm gonna go for a walk and let this thing slide down, y'all. I think if this is the entry, this is the top. And that's the case, I'm gonna let this thing dump all day. There you guys go. That's my new entry. That's the only entry I should have fucking taken today. Or the other entries were good. This is the only one I should be interested in holding. So, but ladies and gentlemen of the tube, what are you guys targeting? I'm targeting 53.92 first. That's my first target, 53.92 right here. And then from there, if we bleed through 80, then my targets, you don't even want to know my second
You
target.
sign
It's like
into
in the
Top Step
60s.
X from here.
You just do your username, your email, and password that you usually get on.
Oh, you just go to Top Step X?
No, you got to go to topstepx.com. You can't go to Top Step. You got to go to topstepx.com.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yeah, and then you just do your username and password, and then your iPhone should save it. But you may have to refresh it a couple times to find your trade, because it was doing that to me the other day. It wouldn't show me my trade for a little bit. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, on the phone you got to refresh it a couple times. It wasn't showing my trade right away. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for tuning in to the Trader Shop. It's been an absolute roller coaster today as far as my trading goes. I did some good things in regards to entries. I didn't hesitate. I put my stops in the proper areas. The only thing I didn't do management wise, I should have been taking those profits when I was up, 9-10 points on ES, right? Like those are W's, right? You at least secure 5 points if you're up 10 on ES, right? However, I will say this. What I learned from those mistakes was I could actually hold on to those trades, put my stop at the true invalidation point, absorb $400, $500 worth of risk, and then load up in positions if I really feel comfortable, right, with the rejections that I'm getting. I could be loading up into positions before this dump comes, because at no point did I ever waver that we were dumping. I was just getting frustrated with the fact that the market kept taking me out, right? So that's the one little thing I'll take away from the day, which is trust your analysis no matter what, and understand where your invalidation point is. And if you take lower entries than your targeted entry, then you can look to load up as long as price doesn't hit your invalidation point. Because I could have took one loss today if it hit my invalidation point. Instead, I took 4 to 5 different paper cut losses that added up to a much larger loss than what I was willing to risk in the first place. So that being said, Jay, you got anything to add about your trading?
Nope, I'm in this trade long. I'm up like $900, and
Sure.
Yeah, I'm short, but I gotta go, y'all, because I gotta go pick up my daughter. So great show as always, great stream as always, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Justin really don't be caring about nobody when he doing something, bro. I swear to God. He be
Well,
so
no, I
nice.
gotta-
Like,
no,
yeah,
no,
yeah, fuck out,
no,
y'all. I'll see y'all
it's because
later.
I
I'm out.
gotta-
Peace. I'm up.
No, it's because I gotta
I'll
go.
let
I
y'all
gotta
later.
pick up my
Peace.
daughter.
Fuck
I
out
gotta
of
pick
here.
up my
Fuck out
10
of here.
minutes, and it's gonna
All
take
right,
you guys time to
guys.
get there.
We'll take you guys take care, man. Be easy. We'll talk to you guys on the next stream. Trader Shop out.